You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. Yesterday, I was talking about markets coming down from this area on the one-day chart BTC USDT, and you see market come down a little bit, and right now market is still heading to the downside, and the Bitcoin price at 16.5k level. And on the 4-hour chart, I said market is going to go down from this area and that it would be wise for you to take a short position from here for the market to move down. Market did move down, although it has not reached our very first target at this very level of 15.9k. and on the 4-hour chart ETH, this was a symmetrical triangle, and I said after this breakout market is going to go down. Market did go down a little bit, and right now it is here still approaching this very first target of 1146. So what are we expecting in the market right now on ETH, on the 4-hour chart, and on BTC 4-hour chart as well? All of these and more in today's video. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. On the BTC USDT one-day chart, if you look at this very area, yesterday I said market is going to go down, and right now market is still heading to the downside. Now there is nothing much right now on this very chart. Still expect the market to head back down into this level of support. Like I said yesterday, I'm still paying attention to the market moving to the downside before it will get to this very level of support, then a nice retracement to the upside for this very impulsive move to the downside. So you can see the market move impulse to the downside, then this very spike come back down again, move. I'm still expecting the market to still move a little bit to the downside before this very good retracement. So still pay attention to the market moving back down. On the BTC USDT one-day chart, on the 4-hour chart here, yesterday I said it would be wise for you to take a short position from here, that the market is going to go down. Market go down as predicted, and right now I am still expecting the market to come back down, guys. I am not expecting the market to move to the upside. I'm still expecting the market from here to come back to the downside, to this very area of support. That is my expectation on BTC USD 4-hour chart, in line with the analysis yesterday. And on the 4-hour chart ETH, if you look at this, I said yesterday that there is a high probability of the market breaking on the support. Reason why: we are in a downtrend, and this is a symmetrical triangular pattern, and for this course the market is going to break on the support because there is a high probability for the market to move in line with the market direction, which is a downtrend. So breaking on the support is what I was paying attention to, and market did break, and right now the price is sitting at 1,200 approximately, and I am still expecting the market to move back down. That is, from here market should continue to the downside to this very level of support. That is what I am expecting. Market should go down to this very level of support. It's as simple as that. So even though you see the market ride a little bit to the upside, we have a very strong support here. Take note of that. This very line is going to act as a strong resistance to the market, that the market can go up, hit this resistance line, and then come back down again. So this is what I'm paying attention to. Expect the market to move back down into this level of support on the immediate short term on the 4-hour chart ETH. So what are you expecting on the one-day chart here? I said yesterday that are you expecting the market to just move from here to the upside, or we're going to see the market come back down before that very retracement as analyzed right now? Comment below in the comment section of this video. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you've not registered on Binance, OKX, $600 bonus on Bybit when you use the affiliate link down below. to do your registration and claim those bonuses. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.